Hi everyone, it's Sandy here and welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing well. Finally finished my project number 3 using the paper collection by My Mind's Eye. It's the BLISS paper collection that was sent to me by sassyscrapper.com.au here in Australia. I'll put the link down below if you want to check out her store. They have a great range of brand name products, and you still have time to purchase any of your last minute Christmas paper products or paper collection that you'd like to use in your projects. And also their new arrivals have also just arrived, so head over to sassyscrapper.com.au for all of your latest products, brand name collections and their new arrivals. So this is my project number 3 that I wanted to share with you, and it's a tag pocket flip style tag flip. So this is how it looks like. It was another easy project for me to make. I managed to make this with the remainder of their paper collection and their die cuts, also their embellishments that came with it as well. So I'm just going to flip through and show you what I made, and then I'll just show you how I made these little pockets. And the good thing about these little pockets that I made, they're also a great size as your inserts to put in your pocket letters. I also just use my mini envelope punch board while we are memory keepers, just to decorate the corner part of the tag pocket and just along here as well. And I'll also show you how you could make this as well. So this is how it looks like. I've just added some nice trim just on the top, just to decorate the ring that holds all the tag flip. And then this is just one of my altered paper clips that I've altered and added some charm dangles. So I've used a number for each of my pocket tags that was part of the pack. So this is pocket number 1, and so this is just a blank tag that goes inside, and also the Prima flower from the Prima marketing collection that was also part of the kit. And then the next part, I've just added a shaker tag that I've also got a tutorial on how you could make one of these. So that's really cute. And this is pocket number 2, and this is a crepe paper heart embossed vellum that was also part of the collection. This is one of my favorite vellum paper that I use. I have so much fun using this paper. It's a 12 by 12 paper as well, and that's just a cutter part that was part of that as well. And the next one is just a packaged goodies that I've put together and just made my own bag topper. And this is tag pocket number 3. Also the enamel dots came with the kit as well, and that's just another blank tag. And then I put a altered paper clip that I made with a fabric yo-yo that I've also hand sewn. And these are just some washi samples, so then you can just take that out and then use that on other projects. This is a clear mason jar stamp, and this is just a larger tag using this pretty paper as well. And I've again used the vellum to create the little envelopes, and I use the punch board as well, the mini one, to make these cute little mini envelopes, and that one as well. And that's pocket number 4. Again, just another tag. And that's pocket number 5, and I've just fussy cut some of these ephemeras that were part of the kit and just put them in that pocket. And this is just a card spool that I've made and added some trim. I also have a tutorial to make this card spool. If you wanted to have a look, I'll put the link down below for that. That's easy. That's using the envelope punch board as well to make that one. And pocket number 6 is this one here. I'm not sure if you can see, but that's all. These enamel dots are part of the collection. This is probably one of my favorite colour tones. It's like a vanilla off cream coloured enamel dot. It's really a nice colour, that one. And the last part of the tag clip, I've just put in here just some vellum flamingo die cuts. And that's the whole project that I've made. It was really easy. So if you wanted to make one of these cute little tags, I'll also show you. Let me just grab one of these ones. Take this one out. So you can put, I'll just take one out to show you. So you can put one of these size pocket tags in one of your pocket letter insert pockets. So it just goes in there nicely, just like that. And then you can still add your goodies to the back or embellish that as well. And you can just make a few of them for your pocket letters. The only difference with this size here, if you are going to use it as your pocket letter, you may want to trim off just a little bit up. That's just come off. You may want to trim off a little bit of that on the top so that it doesn't stick out here and you'll be able to fold it. So I'm just going to glue that because it's going to bother me. It's funny when you want to do a project, things just seem to come undone or don't stick to your project. So I'm just going to stick that back on. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make one. All you need is just, you can use your 6x6 paper pad. You just cut your paper at 6 inches by 2.5 inches. And then you just want to, on your 6-inch side, you just want to score it at 2.25 of an inch. And then all you do here is you can, if you don't have the real memory keepers, mini envelope punch board just to decorate, to do your corners, you can just use your corner rounder punch, or you can just cut them at an angle. But I'll just show you how to make it with the envelope punch board. So what you do is you just fold it up like that at your score line, and that's simply all you need to do. And then you just grab a little bit of glue. Oh, before we glue that, we're just going to line the edge of your paper inside, just at the edge of that notch, and we just punch that down, and that creates that look. And then you just do the same to the other side. Just punch that down, and then repeat that with the other two sides. And flip that over. And then you've got this little bit here where we fold up. I've got a little, made a little notch there. All I've done there was just placed the part on the shorter side where we scored. Just slide that in, and we're going to line the edge of your paper at the 1.25 inch mark. Just line that at the 1.25 inch and just press down. And that just creates the, sorry, it wasn't 1.25. It was at the 1.5 inch. No, sorry, 1.75. Sorry. So line the edge at 1.75, and then you punch. Mine was a bit offset to there. But then you just put your glue to the edge up to that fold line or score line, and then you just close that up, and that creates your pocket. And then you just simply punch a center hole there using your paper punch, and so that creates your pocket. And then you can add a tag in there or whatever you like. So that's all to do. That's all you need to do to make one of those pockets. And yeah, so it's another easy project to make, project number 3. And then I did have a bit of scrap paper left from the kit, and what I've made was I made these 2 memory dex cards. I made this one here, again using most of the embellishments from the kit and a Prima flower. This is just some crepe paper that I've just put at the back and just some trim. And this here is just a frame that I've cut out using one of my Polaroid frame from my die set. So that's for that one. So that was fun to make, and this is the other one. This is just another memory dex card that I've made. So I've just had a few pieces left. so I've just made those with it. So that's my project share to share with you all. I hope you enjoyed my 3 projects that I've made with this paper collection. So again, please head over to sassyscrapper.com.au and have a look at the range of products that they have for you guys. They do have fantastic collections. So I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.